following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. An extremely dangerous situation is unfolding across the United States. At around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 5 states Texas, Florida, Pennsylvania, Indiana, and New Mexico have broken away from the United States. Riots are occurring in these mentioned states. The military is trying their hardest to stop the riots and make 5 states reunite. If you participate in the riots, you'll be dragged away and get arrested without questions. If you are not in a breakaway state, you are being advised to seek shelter immediately as the situation is unfolding. The United States government is trying its best to make the 5 states reunited, but chances of success are a bit slim. Remain indoors and seek shelter until further notice. Do not panic, as panicking will make the situation worse. Take immediate precautions when needed during the situation. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets.